In this video, we will be discussing how we can create gift cards for certain customers. So let's make sure that we have enabled the promotions, loyalty and gift card option. And under the products, we'll be getting gift cards and e-wallet menu. So let's create 500 off on New Year's Eve. So we have a program name and the program type is gift card, and I'll make sure that it is available in sales, website and POS. So let's generate a gift card for three selected customers. If we want to generate this for anonymous customers, we can go for it. But here I will be providing it for certain users that I have selected. And the gift card value is 500. So this will be a new year offer. Let's send it. So now we have generated three gift cards for three partners, and here we have the code, and if we want to send it as a promotion to their email, we can just click on the send, and it will send to their email with the gift card code which they can use in the sales, POS and website purchase. Now let's try to copy this. This is for Azure Interior. Let's try to create a quotation for Azure Interior, and I will choose a product which is beanbag, and it is for 2500. I'll apply the coupon code. So here we have 500 off on New Year's sale, which is a gift card. So I'll apply that, and here I got a 500 off from the total amount. So this is how it works in the quotations. Now let's copy the other code for 𝗀𝗬𝗁, let it be, and I'll just copy this. Let's apply it in the point of sale opening session, and here I'll be choosing this individual workplace, and here it says it is for 929, and we have to apply the customer which is 𝗀𝗬𝗁, and now we have added the customer. In the actions, we'll add the code, apply it. Yes, so now it has been applied as a gift card, and the discount has been applied. So this is how it is managed in the POS. Now we have one more, which is for the website. In the website, I'll copy the code of mark demo. I'll copy this code, and I'll log in as mark demo itself. I have a demo account. So now I'm mark demo, and I will do the shopping. Let's say I'm purchasing 750 for the customizable desk. Add to cart, continue shopping. So here we have that particular product in the cart. Let's try adding the gift card. Apply it. So it is applied for mark demo, and the discount regarding including the discount, the total has been changed. So this is how it is managed in the website. So in this video, we have discussed how a gift card can be sent to the customers and how it can be applied in their sales, point of sale and website orders. Thank you.